Wait a second, people. Put this over here. So there's this new bomb mode. I've played it a few times. It's pretty good. But let's just make sure we get the right set. Stop. Look at it. Oh shit! I don't have my ears. Well, anyways, the green dot on there is that guy over there. He's got the bomb. He's got the C4. Even though I have C4 on my person. I'm basically going to protect this guy, or he did. And what I do once this guy has put down the bomb, put down the freaking bomb. Oh my! I'm gonna die this rate. Okay, this is bad. This is bad. Bad spot. No! Damn it! Please, I got to be live to. Anyways, oh wait, isn't this the same guy? Oh yeah, I started a different channel because, well, basically the other one wasn't working so well. Let's just say that. Ow. Yeah. You say nothing. He doesn't me. He doesn't nothing. Anyways, I need to give my guy to the gun because I used to have this. Ooh. Never knew I had a shotgun. Never knew. Okay, guys, if you watch this, just down in the comments, even if you don't like this video, what do you think I should use? Okay, I got that. This. I quite like this one. It looks, yeah. Or pink. If you guys say pink, I'm gonna quit the channel. Or navy blue. Isn't that what it's called? Rain camouflage. Got zebra. Got caution. Get your head out the way. Ooh, that looks pretty nice. Oh yeah, I got this one here, and then we got the giraffe. Oh. Okay, guys, if this was a live stream, you would probably tell me right now. To which one, because I can get whichever one I want. I quite like that green one. Anyways, we're gonna use this shotgun because shotgun is amazing. Okay. Oh yeah, if you guys want to play this, I will. The name of the game will be in the title or the description. Basically, as you see as my channel description, whatever you want or want me to play, I will play it. There's the newest map here. But basically, if you want me to play a different game, or get wrecked. Don't know why, but everyone wants to run with their knives out. I'm going still. But this is my best gun at what I have. And it is a legendary, so pretty good. Oh yeah, the map isn't it? Okay. Okay. Oh yeah, you can pick up other guns. I can't really see the map though. Which? Hi dude. What up? Okay. Huh? They're always fighting people, but I'm not. It's weird. There's another type. Like someone on my team has an UG. Double gun. Oh, what the heck? Hey, duck. Oh, yes, that's what I wanna do. That is what I wanna do. That is what I wanna do. Okay, so basically, you know the guy out here? Let me get the door. What? No, I'm going on bomb mode. Bomb mode. Oh yeah, the games that I have are Clumsy Ninja. It's pretty good game. It's kind of like Pocket Tom, kind of. Sorry for this video if you haven't sometimes. And I don't do it to get extra money. Skip. I'll try and cut this out. No. Okay, wait. One increases the damage and makes the game more realistic. Okay, I've never done hardcore. Oh, okay. This looks good. Oh, he's got yeah. You'll be wondering why I have different like helmets and masks. Each one has its own. Okay, if you guys play like there's a custom game, and basically you want to play hide and seek with your mates. And if they have this game, well, so that's where I'm going to go. I'm going to go. Thing is, I don't shoot. You struck me. Okay. Okay, get up. Get down. This is a pretty good spot. Not here, this here. Oh, they will never find me. Like, I'm not gonna let them get a kill. When they finds me and they nearly get me dead, then boom. So, I don't know if that's allowed in a game like this. If you just see there. Well, if you haven't learned about World War II, then you won't know. Or World War I, you won't know what that means. But for your older ones, yeah. Or we might win. I'll show you do 2-1-1-1. 3, 2, 1. So which team won? I'll try to find a hiding spot. So you guys. Get back, dude. That's dud. Oh, that's it. Oh, what's. Oh. This is a pretty good spot here. If you hide right here. Depending if they have a flashlight or not. If I can't find this dude, I'll just blow myself up. Wait. Okay, it's not on the map yet. Oh, well, okay, guys, I'm gonna try and get one kill with a shotgun. And if I do that, I'll say guacamoles with banana peels. I think. I don't know. You tell me in the comments if I don't kill someone with the shotgun. You tell me in the comments what I have to say in my next video. Okay. Anyway, I want you to do it. That's quite easy. Where would it be? Don't know, I just took this. Oh, okay, it's over here. It's over here. Saw it. We won! Okay. Okay, guys, you need to tell me in the comments what I have to say in my next video, even though I killed someone. Wait. G dot, and then happy face, and swag. So that will be everyone's chat box. I like this shotgun. Nobody ever had it. You guys, in the comments, tell me what your favorite 3 guns are. And I'll tell you mine. Shotgun, sniper rifle, and pistol. Okay, that's fine. Boom! Yeah! Okay, now I'm coming with 3 things. The same in my next video. Okay, let's see how we can do in these next 2 minutes. Or I'm allowed more in my video. I'm only allowed to do a 15-minute video, not 20. Did that once. Did it just like this. No. Oh, killing is just me. I should have put 54 there. I forgot it does that. Okay, come on, we need to do this fast. No, I'm just gonna. Oh, yes, that's what I should do. Okay.